She has
Not
no way of
arguing
getting
with you,
there.
Mr. Hammock. I've
She has
made the
no
decision.
job, no license,
She goes into
nothing.
treatment. She goes into jail.
So you don't want to
one or
help
the
her.
other.
You just want to make it worse.
We're
Okay.
done,
I
Mr.
understand.
Hammock. I want her. Is Brianna Caldwell with us? Brianna Caldwell, you need to unmute, start your camera.
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, I see Mr. Hammock. All right, so this is a request by Mr. Hammock, and I see that Judge Meyer said it over a week, but Ms. Caldwell, we've issued a warrant for your arrest as you're not in compliance with the court order. So Mr. Pazderka, let's take that up first. What's going on? I see that the scram device was taken off in violation of the court order, along with several findings that Ms. Caldwell's using alcohol. Is she in treatment somewhere or something?
Yeah, I just did a drug and alcohol assessment. I don't know if you're asking me or who, but my
Pazderka or you? Who's going to tell me about
my attorney
that? Mr. Pazderka, why don't I turn to you first and see if you want me to hear from your client since we're still pending trial.
Yes, Your Honor. I guess if she would like to provide details, my notes just indicate yes that she was scheduling that evaluation.
So, Ms. Caldwell, are you in a treatment facility?
Yeah, I'm starting at Greater Lakes IOP for SUD treatment and mental health treatment right now because I have severe anxiety and alcohol.
When are you starting? When are you starting
Monday.
treatment?
Monday.
And how do I know that you're starting treatment? I don't have anything in the court file, and pretrial services doesn't know.
Well, I'm calling my probation officer today to check in because today I have to check in, and I can get that right to Jamie today. I've still been in contact, still been answering.
Who's your probation officer?
It's Jamie right now. She's my pretrial officer right now.
Okay, so.
Yeah. But also,
there's nothing other than non-compliance. I have the last report that you, Jackson Rosario's told us that you cut that the bracelet was removed on the 19th of August, unauthorized.
Yes,
so
and I told you that.
You haven't had that on since the 19th of August. How come?
I cut it off because I was drinking and then I had court the very next day and I was planning on turning myself in anyways. So, but then I had court the very next day and then the judge gave me the option to squash my warrant and get it put back on. And then I tried to get a warrant squash hearing and I couldn't do so because there's a no bail on my warrant. So there's no way to do that. So
you're out there violating the court order. So I need a little bit of more assurance of your compliance with the court order.
I'll go turn myself in.
Nothing.
Well, I'll go turn myself in today. I could do that. I could go put the scram device back on today. I'll go do those things. But this protection order with me and my husband, I live with him. I've been married with him for 2 years.
I'm not going to change the release conditions, Ms. Caldwell, Mr. Hammock, while Ms. Caldwell is so severely out of compliance with the court order. She's drinking repeatedly, cutting off the ankle bracelet that puts further danger to Mr. Hammock and the community. I'm not going to change the warrant. You need to turn yourself in. You need to get back with pretrial services. Get this solved. You've got warrants here, Lakewood District for a DUI.
I don't have any warrants in Lakewood.
Well, better talk to Lakewood District then. But Ms. Caldwell, turn yourself in. That's a good idea. Get yourself to Thurston County Corrections Facility. Get yourself turned in.
Yeah, I will. Thank you so much. You have a great
day. Do it today.
Can I speak?
Mr. Hammock, I'm not taking up the hearing until she comes into compliance with pretrial. She's got to turn herself in.
Yeah, but she can't get there without me.
Well, then maybe she can get picked up. We've got an address, and maybe it's up to the parties here if they want to contact law enforcement and assist her in doing that. But she's violating the court order in so many ways, and she poses a danger. So I'm not going to consider this change in release conditions. She needs to turn herself in. I'm not going to hear any more from you, Mr. Hammock. I appreciate this is difficult, but she has to comply with the court order.
It's more than difficult. This is destroying our family. And
well,
You guys
Mr.
put her in a
Hammock, I'm
position
not
where she can
changing
only
that
live with
order
an
until
alcoholic.
she gets herself into compliance. She needs to talk to her attorney, pretrial services, turn herself in. We
Well,
gotta
I'd
get
be
her.
able to
So,
get her in compliance if you could take the restraining order off so I could help her. She needs my help.
No.
She's not mentally fit to do this herself.
well, maybe she needs to get into that treatment with Crater Lakes and then talk to us. But I need her in some facility, whether it's in our jail or in a
But nobody
lockdown
can get
facility.
she has
Not
no way of
arguing
getting
with you,
there.
Mr. Hammock. I've
She has
made the
no
decision.
job, no
She
license,
goes into
nothing.
treatment. She goes into jail.
So you don't want to
one or
help
the
her,
other.
you just want to make it worse. Okay.
We're done,
I
Mr. Hammock.
understand.
I want her in treatment in a lockdown facility some way.
Okay.
So she's not out there drinking and driving and harming people. So
Well, right now she's not going to get there
Mr.
unless I
Hammock, we're
can help
done.
her.
There's nothing I can do with you other than
There's a
tell
lot-
you don't invite her to violate that order, because then all of a sudden she may have more charges. We don't want that. So she knows what she has to do. She knows pretrial services will help her. She's avoiding them. So we're done. That's all. So you can leave the meeting. And then back, Ms. Moore, we're going to jump back to 10:30 and Mr. Hadler. Any luck there?
No information, Your Honor.
If you're involved in a dispute with another party such as this and you just can't seem to work it out, don't resort to taking the law into your own hands. You take it to court.
All right, thank you very much. Officer Burrell's waiting for you, and that will bring this case to a conclusion.